Okay, we're rolling. Hey everybody, Calgary Rambler here at Country Auto Sales. Well, where are we? There we are. And here we go. I told you about this over the last number of months, and here's Colin. Now watch this. Done. She's mine. Yep, she's mine. Congrats. Thank you. Now, like I said before on the channel, it's a cream puff to me. It really is. And I couldn't ask for a better truck. Yeah, didn't do that right. Now there is an issue with the door locks we gotta fix, I guess. Yep. Oh well. Slight exhaust leak. Frame's not too bad, but I've got a good body man. I don't know if you can see that or not, but frame is not too bad on this beast. There's a bit of rust, but that's to be expected. It's not a southern truck. This is an Alberta rig. And I'll tell you, you know, now look at that. I told you there was a stack in the box. Now, there is issues with the locking mechanism on the rear doors. I don't know what's going on with them. I'll have to figure that out. But it's open. I don't know what's going on here. Oh well. We're gonna have to work on that. Colin's got the books inside. Very clean, but this is getting done over to leather anyway, guys, so I'm not worried about it. Frame not bent. The last three I looked at, the frames were gone. This one's clean. Yeah, we got some body work to do, I know. I'm aware, but I'm not worried. There you go, 6.6 liter diesel. And that's the most important deal of the day right there. Now we got to go inside, pay the man, get the insurance put on it and the plates. Then we're heading home. And that be that. 2008, built, and I mean built, deleted everything else. GMC Sierra Denali 2500. All right, you have a great day.